Hello Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now today's vlog video, you guys, is my living room decor ideas. Now I do like modern decor and glam decor, but with this living room decor ideas, you guys, I'm going to be adding in pops of black included in with these living room ideas. Now you guys, if all of that sounds interesting to you, make sure you keep watching. Please don't forget, if you're new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe. And if you're a loyal ride or die, make sure you turn on that notification bell to all. Like the video, thumbs up the video, and drop me comments down in the comment section. Alright Glamettes, let's get right into this living room tour. And again, family, we are back, and once again, today's video, I am going to be just showing you some living room decor ideas. I'm finna inspire you just a little bit. You guys, I know we're coming into the spring, and I'm just finishing off with the pops of black. You did see a few days ago some DIYs that was done in the color of black. You're going to get to see those featured here in my home. Please make sure though you're checking out all of the Glam Queen branded channels as well. But if you are new, thank you guys for coming on board. Make sure you do tap that bell, subscribe to the channel, and I am showing you pops of black in the space, you guys, because we're getting ready to go full-fledged spring, and we're going to do a spring overload. But all right, you guys, we are actually jumping into this video.